Did you know millions of seniors are losing their hearing even if they've never worked in a factory, never gone to loud concerts, and never stood next to a speaker blasting music like today's teenagers? Doctors are actually shocked because this type of hearing loss happens quietly, secretly, and long before anyone notices. And no, it's not just old age. In fact, most seniors who are losing their hearing could have avoided it if they knew the hidden reasons behind it. So today, I'm breaking down the real causes, the ones doctors don't always explain clearly, and trust me, some of them will absolutely surprise you. Before we dive in, do me one tiny favor, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video that helps you stay healthy, strong, and sharp after 60. Alright, let's jump in. Hearing loss in seniors is one of the most ignored health issues. People say things like, it's just age. Grandpa doesn't hear because he's old. She probably needs to clean her ears. But the truth is way more complicated. A huge number of seniors lose hearing even when they've protected their ears their whole lives. No loud music. No noisy jobs. No explosions. Nothing. Yet the hearing goes. Why? What's secretly damaging the ears? Let's unlock the truth. Most people don't know this, but inside your ear is something like a tiny biological clock. It has thousands of microscopic hair cells that convert sound waves into signals your brain can understand. Here's the shocking part, these hair cells don't grow back. Not at 20, not at 60, not at 90. Once they're gone forever. Now, you might say, but I never damaged them with noise. Exactly, you don't need noise. These cells can die from other things too. Poor blood flow, inflammation, hidden infections, nutritional deficiencies, medications. Chronic diseases, stress. Yes, stress can literally damage hearing. Imagine telling your grandkids that they'll say TikTok has broken your brain, but no, it's actually true. Let's go deeper. Everybody talks about blood pressure for the heart. But nobody talks about blood pressure for the ears. Your inner ear needs a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. When this slows down even a little, your hearing cells begin to struggle. After 60, many seniors start experiencing stiff blood vessels, slow circulation, thickened blood, higher blood pressure. Or the opposite, sudden drops in pressure. All of these make the ear's delicate cells starve for oxygen. Think of it like a plant. If you water it properly, it lives. If the water slows down, even a little, it slowly dries out. Your ears work the same way. And the scary part? Hearing loss from poor circulation is usually permanent. No loud noise needed, just bad blood flow. Here's something shocking. If you're diabetic, you're twice as likely to develop hearing loss. Why? Because high blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels and nerves inside the ears. Most seniors think diabetes only affects the eyes, the kidneys, the feet. But the ears are full of tiny, delicate nerves, and they're usually the first to suffer. Imagine sugar crystals damaging tiny wires inside your ear. Even prediabetes can do this. Many seniors don't notice. They think, my TV volume is fine. I just didn't hear you because you were in the kitchen. Nope, it's the ears slowly fading. The funniest part? Some seniors blame the TV, not their ears. My hearing is fine. This remote is broken. Sure, blame the remote. Classic. This one surprises most people. There are over 200 medications that can damage your hearing. Doctors usually prescribe them for blood pressure, infections, pain, inflammation, arthritis, heart conditions, digestive issues. Some medications can cause tinnitus, ringing in the ears, permanent hearing loss, sudden hearing drops. Common examples include certain antibiotics, high doses of aspirin, some anti-inflammatory drugs, chemotherapy drugs, diuretics, water pills. Now, I'm not telling you to stop taking your medicines, please don't do that. But awareness helps. Always ask your doctor, is this medication ototoxic? Most seniors are shocked when they find out. People love blaming earwax for every hearing problem. My ear's blocked, I need a cleaning. I'll just use this cotton swab. Stop right there. Cotton swabs are ear-damaging sticks of doom. They push wax deeper, scratch the canal, and sometimes even rupture the eardrum. Ear wax itself is not the enemy. In fact, it protects your ears. The problem happens when the wax gets dry with age, it hardens, the ear canal gets narrower. Or hearing aids push wax further in. This can cause temporary hearing loss. But here's the kicker, fixing wax won't fix hearing loss caused by circulation, medications, or disease. Wax is just the surface-level blame. The real damage happens deeper. Let's explore the brain and ear connection. Hearing is not just ear problems. This one will blow your mind. Your ears collect sound, but your brain does the actual hearing. As we age, the brain slows down, slower processing, weaker nerve signals, reduced cognitive speed, mild memory decline. This makes you feel like you're losing hearing, even when the ear itself is fine. This explains why seniors say, "I hear you but I can't understand you." That's not ear loss, that's brain processing loss. The brain becomes like an old computer, it works but not as fast as it used to. So hearing becomes muffled, unclear, or confusing. And here's the scary part, when hearing declines, the brain must work extra hard, which can speed up cognitive decline, memory problems, brain fatigue. Yes, hearing loss and dementia are strongly linked. This is why doctors are pushing seniors to take hearing issues seriously. After 60, inflammation in the body becomes more common. Inflammation is like fire. A little bit is good, too much and it damages everything in its path. This includes the ear's nerve cells, the cochlea, the auditory nerve, the tiny structures that decode sound. Medical researchers now believe chronic inflammation is one of the biggest causes of age-related hearing loss. It's like rust building up inside the body. Slow, silent, damaging. You don't need to smoke now. Even smoking 20 years ago can harm your hearing today. Smoking damages blood vessels, reduces oxygen, and increases inflammation, all of which destroy hearing over time. Some seniors say, "I quit smoking in 1985. I'm good." Your ears might disagree. Sometimes hearing loss runs in families. If your parents or grandparents lost hearing early, there's a higher chance you will too, even without loud noise exposure. But here's the good news, genes load the gun, lifestyle pulls the trigger. Meaning, you can still prevent or slow down hearing loss with the right choices. Some seniors develop autoimmune conditions without knowing it. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, thyroid issues. These can attack the inner ear and cause sudden or gradual hearing loss. You might think it's age, but it's actually your immune system being dramatic for no reason. Most people don't know the ear needs nutrients like magnesium, protects hair cells. Vitamin B12 supports nerve function. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Potassium helps the inner ear fluid. Folate supports blood flow. Vitamin D supports bone and nerve health. After 60, nutrient absorption gets weaker. So even if you eat well, your body may not absorb enough. This can slowly damage hearing. Here's something wild, as we age, our bones slightly shrink, including the tiny bones inside the ear. These bones must vibrate perfectly to send sound. But if they change shape even a tiny bit, sound becomes distorted. No loud noise needed. Just age-related bone changes. The smallest bone in the human body, the stapes, can also stiffen with age. Doctors call this otosclerosis. It's like your ear bones forget how to dance. Some seniors get silent infections without pain or symptoms. These can be caused by allergies, sinus issues, chronic colds, bacteria, even fungus. These infections create fluid behind the eardrum, making sounds unclear and reducing hearing. It's like listening underwater. The question is why hearing loss is not normal but common. Yes, hearing loss increases with age. But it is not something you're supposed to accept. Losing hearing affects memory, mood, confidence, social life, relationships, safety, brain health. People who ignore hearing loss often become withdrawn. They stop participating in conversations. They avoid family gatherings. They get frustrated. They say what, 10 times and feel embarrassed. Hearing is not just a sense. It's part of your identity. Let's explore how to protect your hearing after 60. Here are simple but powerful ways to protect your hearing. 1. Protect your blood sugar. Healthy ears need healthy nerves. 2. Check your medications. Ask your doctor about ototoxic drugs. 3. Improve circulation. Walk daily, stretch, stay hydrated. Eat circulation-boosting foods. 4. Reduce inflammation. Eat anti-inflammatory foods, salmon, nuts, olive oil, turmeric, berries. 5. Get your ears checked yearly. Hearing tests are painless and extremely helpful. 6. Treat ear infections immediately. 7. Calcium and magnesium balance. These minerals protect inner ear bones and nerves. 8. Don't use cotton swabs. Your ears will thank you. 9. Manage stress. Stress hormones damage the inner ear. 10. Keep your brain sharp. Puzzles, reading, learning, brain exercises. Remember, healthy brain equals clearer hearing. Seek medical help if you experience sudden hearing loss, ringing or buzzing in one ear. Dizziness, ear pain, rapid decline in hearing. Muffled sound that lasts more than 48 hours. These may indicate something serious, like nerve damage, infections, autoimmune issues, circulatory problems, mini-strokes. Never ignore hearing changes. You don't need loud noise to lose your hearing. Hearing loss can come from blood flow issues, diabetes, medications, inflammation, brain processing, genetics, infections, nutrient deficiencies, aging bones. But the good news? You can protect your hearing far more than you think. And the earlier you take action, the more years of clear hearing you can enjoy. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on, your ears want knowledge too. Tap that subscribe button for more health videos every week. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and stay loud. Not your TV, just your confidence.